the 6th chapter, and starting at the 32nd verse, it says, My son, if thou wilt, thou shalt be taught, and if thou wilt apply thy mind, thou shalt be prudent. If thou love to hear, thou shalt receive understanding, and if thou bow thine ear, thou shalt be wise. Yeah, what does the scripture mean when it says, if thou bow thine ear? Well, simply put, this would mean if you're willing to yield and hearken to the authority that Yahweh set up in the form of the prophets, the men who present unto you the glad tidings and the good news of peace. See? Those of you who ultimately believe on a report, that's what it means to bow thine ear, which is really the ultimate act of humility, in which humility is a quality possessed, that's a trait that's possessed by the Lord's elect, and that's pursuant to the book of Colossians, the 3rd chapter, where it speaks about the qualities of the elect, one being humbleness of mind, which humbleness of mind translates to bowing thine ear. See, again, it says, if thou love to hear, thou shalt receive understanding, and if thou bow thine ear, thou shalt be wise. Meaning, again, if you are willing to yield and hearken to the doctrine, that's what it means to bow thine ear. Verse 34, it says, stand in the multitude of the elders and cleave unto him that is wise, meaning continuing to partake in his wise counsel. That's what it means to stand in the multitude of the elders. Again, it says, stand in the multitude of the elders, the congregation.